Welcome to Beech Grove. I'm John Brawley. I'm the manager of material control here. He's Bill Moore. He's the general supervisor of material control who runs our warehouse operation. We've been deemed to give you the tour today. Has anyone been here before?
No.
You? Two? Okay. This facility, as you can see by the building, was built around the turn of the century. These buildings have all gone through some type of modernization since then. We're in the process of replacing our F40 fleet with brand new GE locomotives. We just purchased, we have about 48 on hand right now, and we just placed an order for 100 more. Those F40s that are being retired, we took two of them and we converted them into cab cars. The third one being worked on right now in this shop. We've got authorization to do 4 now. Heavy overhauls on passenger cars and locomotives. We've changed our maintenance philosophy where we're no longer bringing a car in every 3 years or every 6 years, completely stripping it down and rebuilding it from the bottom up. We now bring the cars in here once a year, every 12 months. For example, the Superliner fleet will come through this building, some 280 cars. The first step is to come into this building, it goes through a car wash at the other end, which we'll take a look at. The trucks are pulled out from underneath with all the underflow. We've eliminated that. All the noises on the outside of the building. This thing here lowers down, goes up to the diaphragm, and turns this thing on, and it sucks all the trash right out of that car. And then it goes over into another building to start its actual overhaul. Amtrak's going to be running the train down there, and I had 2 portable car washes moved out of Texas down to Atlanta, and I had a flatbed and moved them down there. So you can buy some car washes, pretty inexpensive. It's a portable car wash. And with the lights going on, these little devices just rotate, and it's a high-speed wash. We can't get it off, so we've tried everything other than blasting it off, and we've stopped doing that. And you'll see in another building. Amtrak is currently, if you haven't seen the new striping, all of the Superliner 1s will be striped exactly like the Superliner 2s. And the Superliner 1s have all been modified with a monogram toilet system. Congress paid for it. Added to its all retention toilets now. And
all self-contained.
Right. And it's getting to the point where it's getting a little bit unsafe to move the equipment around in the yard. We've got to ground by. This area right here is where they do the F40 overhauls. All the F40s throughout the country, other than the Albany ones now, come into this area to the overhaul. I believe it's a 12-month cycle. We have, of course, some wreck damage on the other side. We have a couple of A&D 103s in the house. So it's just like they do the cars.
No, but you know, that's funny, the shop.
They want to move the YouTube and wheel shop into this place. Which makes sense. You didn't see the cab car back there, Bill, did you? No. They must have that over in paint, maybe. Fun. We have an iPhone on the car. Just did the engine. Yeah, that's the first one that we found. Now we're looking for more. And you can see it's been completely stripped down, and everything is from the bottom up. You see this portion is the bag area. Just kind of whole stand that'll operate the train locomotive. Because that gets the engineer up off the grade crossing.
It is a little ASA on it.
If he's operating the other end. Untimely, but timely.
Road stuff.
I believe our inventory nationwide is somewhere around $90 million. We represent about 1/3 of that. This inventory was around $3 million. I think it's about $25 million. To Wilmington, Delaware, one of our Amtrak shops, they need to be rewound. They rewind the building there. then sent back here and reapplied to the U-tube assembly, or the axle assembly for the locomotive. And we supply combos to the country from here. We bought that about 3 years ago. Before we had that, they actually used to drag these things. Put a chain around it and drag it around. What that is. Completely heavy on the truck. Now they come in on this progressive overhaul, and there's just certain things that they change. You can see they put 3 new cranes in here. 1, 2, the smaller one, and then the 10-ton overhead crane. All the heritage trucks. They have a blast, they have a furnace for heat treating. For example, the Indiana Railroad, they'll send equalizers in here for us to heat treat for them. A lot of the private car owners will send all of that kind of stuff in here to be vacuum flux and heat treated. Those are the areas that they represent, and they try to tell them all to see if they're on track. Our maintenance department in there, and the air. Still used for heritage cars. We're doing the bag conversion, coach-to-bag conversions. We're doing all the Horizon cars in this building. All the 11 and 1200 series baggage cars are done in this building. Any high-level wreck damage, whether it's Superliner or heritage, would also be done in this building. We flew down, myself and other cars, stayed in Norfolk cars. We're gutting all of it, we're completely rewiring it. We're going the carpet inside. Air conditioners, it'll have a retention toilet system. We're going to rework the kitchen inside. There's a kitchen inside this car. And hopefully it'll be on the road September 1st back in North Carolina running to the first football game. What color that? There was a lot more damage to this car than we anticipated. Pushing it down. It looked great. We put the truck in It's just about ready in paint. And I don't think there's too many transfer tables bigger than this one here. It was completely years ago. 2.5 years ago, this was just stone built out here with the rail. The rail was about here. Striping, seats, things of that nature. Because now it's just the home of Superliner program, and it's worked very well. We moved these cars in here about a year ago. They also have their own upholstery shop, their own glass shop. And refrigeration, here's a 1400 that hasn't gotten the striping. We'll probably start this Monday morning. Try the paint. Well, we did a set of turbos for New York State Superliner division. We did all the cars. The coaches were done here. Those are probably. This machine looks like it presses and it also cuts.
The tire light?
Yeah. This is the maintenance building. Our motor poolers in here, our electricians, our plumbers, our woodworkers. We have a machine shop down the other end. I know we have a plasma arc. We'll take a walk through there. Well, you know, our Boilermakers. Also, our training center is in here. We have an. We can take a walk down here.
Big 257. Yeah.
Man.
Cut on all the doors. I would have been the engineer that day. Whoa. First, the whole side.
The one in Maryland, huh? Yeah. Oh, thanks. Oh, what a shame.
Shame.
Yeah.
Glass off the S40 and it was switch gears. And it was switch gears.
Cool disco day.
It's pretty tough when you destroy a $3 million locomotive. When you just purchased 100 units.
I got a man.
Yeah, this is good marina.
You're right.
Yeah. Yard engine.
Nine. Keep nine. I was thinking, never seen one like that. We want to put like, we want to cut you.
Let's get the text. First name is Bill? Right.
That's what cars were.